afternoon, everyone. It's the long weekend and the temperature is so good. Look at the sun. We have come to this place called Port Credit. I am so excited because this was one of the places that I really wanted to visit. You know that I love Lakeshore, but this time around, since it's a long weekend, we wanted to go to a different place. Now we are here and I can see ducks. I can see people having a lot of fun. As usual, since we are out, we wanted to have our lunch here. Raghav is looking for the place to go and I thought I will just show you around. I don't know if it's the sun or the new place that we have come to, but I'm really happy.
I think you are very excited today.
I am.
Looking at the weather, we did not dress accordingly.
As usual, and I'm freezing now, but it's okay.
To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore.
When we started from Toronto, it wasn't that cold, but now that we are here near the water, the wind is a little bit chillier. As usual, we are not dressed appropriately. And since it is a long weekend here, and if you go to a touristy place, every restaurant is packed, and so is this one. I have just read the review about this restaurant. It's 4.2, so I guess we'll get decent brunch here. And I'm thinking I'm going to order in some pancakes. They have fresh juices too.
You ready for some drinks over here?
Just give us some time.
Sure.
I think sometimes it's just good to go with the flow. So this restaurant was right in front of where we parked our car. The vibe looks great. Let's see how the food tastes now.
Raghav has ordered this chocolate milk and I'm going to try it for the first time. It's light and very different.
This is egg Florentine. This was the only option which did not have any bacon or any kind of meat, just the eggs. We have the English muffin here with spinach, egg, some more vegetables, and we've got potatoes.
I have ordered usual butter pancakes with maple syrup and we're just going to enjoy our brunch now. Beyond mesmerized with this place. It's gonna be 2 years for me since the time I have moved to Canada, but it still takes me time to fathom the fact that there are so many beautiful places around our city. Like it's 40 minutes away from my place and I get to see such beautiful views just casually. It becomes a little difficult for me to fathom this fact, but yeah, I'm so grateful. I think this is one of the best things that I like about moving to Canada. These places have proper sitting and you can work from here and obviously have your dinner here. I cannot wait for summers. I say that almost in all the vlogs, but I cannot wait for summers to come and go to different places like this. I'm here and I'm just waiting for Raghav to come and then we are going all the way from here till there and we are going to sit and spend some time there. That is Raghav calling. Hi Raghav. हाँ?
मेरे को ये बताओ,
हाँ?
चाय लेके आऊँ?
ले आओ.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I am waiting for the day when I will actually know what to wear for Canada's weather because when I started from home, it was really nice, hot and crisp, but my ears are freezing right now. Till the time I wait for Raghav, I think I have a company. There is a musician who is going to play and he's setting up his place and I'm so excited. This feels different, this feels beautiful. Honestly, I feel really grateful that I get to see this over the weekends whenever we travel. So the husband and the tea is here. I was feeling super cold.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it very cold right now?
No, maybe because we are near the water.
I had parked the car somewhere else, which was about 10 minutes from this place. But then when we came here, we figured out there was a parking spot which was free for almost 15 hours. We knew we're not going to be here for that long. So I just got my car, the one that we rented, of course, here at this park. Today, the weather is really nice, though the sun is not there right now.
It was there when you were away.
We're just going to take a walk here, enjoy a hot cup of tea. वहाँ पे भी लोग हैं एकदम मतलब पानी के पास आया हूँ. I think the way to go is from that side. हाँ लग रही है?
थोड़ी
थोड़ी लग रही थी.
Do you remember how we kissed in the kitchen as the coffee pours? By the end my face was sore from your stubble, but I still wanted more. and all the miles that we spent.
We've reached at the dead end of this lakeshore, and right now we're just planning to go back.
I wish we could go there, but then it is locked. We were here for almost 1.5 hours and it's time to head back. We should have some food. Raghu wanted to have something Indian. This time around, we haven't decided where we are going. On the go, we are going to look for a restaurant and have some desi food.
And this was our first time here in Port Credit. We loved it, right?
Yeah, I like the place. It's a small village or town. I love the vibe. It's very cozy. It's just an impromptu trip that we have taken and it's amazing.
And it's getting a little chillier, so I think we should head back.
I don't know it's the weather or the long weekend, but the roads are really empty. We hardly see any cars around. I think everybody is out of the town. Anywho, it's around 6 p.m. and we are on our way to go to Etobicoke. There's this place called Chatterbox where we are going. We haven't had Indian street food from very long time. So I called my friend and she suggested to go to Etobicoke. This is going to be our first time trying out snacks there.
I don't know after how many years I'm going to have Golgappas.
Almost 1.5 years.
Almost after 1.5 years, and I am super hungry right now just by the thought of having Golgappas. I don't know how many I'm gonna have.
I always either look for reviews or I call up my friends and ask them which place to go to. Hopefully this should hit the spot. I'm gonna take you along
I
anyway.
think we did have at Gunjan's place
Diwali
party, yes.
Yeah. Have you also noticed one thing that whenever we go out, especially rent a car, we are always eating out?
That's good. I mean, we anyway don't get a lot of time to go out and eat, especially Indian food. Places in Toronto do have Indian food, but again, the quality and the taste that we get in Brampton, I don't think that I found out in Toronto anywhere. So far, wherever we've tried, although the places were not too many.
It does taste like back home. I see a pattern whenever we rent a car and we are eating at different places. But that also gives you a real-time review, right? I really wish we could record here, but the thing is we are in a long queue and they are literally serving Golgappas like they do back in India.
Exactly. So there's a lineup and there are 3 different counters. Still, the line is all the way to the entrance of these stores.
We will let you know how it tasted. Look at the glow on his face for Golgappas.
It's already there.
Okay guys, so here's one game that we are going to play about the review.
Okay.
You just have to use the adjectives to explain how was your experience. You go first.
One word?
Yes.
Marvelous.
Amazing.
We can use more words, right?
Yeah.
Out of this world.
Delhi-like.
Spicy and chatpata.
Imli. We can say anything else than adjectives now.
I loved the Golgappas. Literally, Anku had to stop me.
I had to stop him. The girl there, she was super sweet. Her name is Dharita. She knew that it was our first time. I just want to say that the place is little compact, but it is worth the wait. And now we understand why there were multiple queues. I didn't know. I just casually checked with my friend and she said go to this place. When we reached here and I was under the impression that it is very small. I'm not sure how it is going to be. We actually felt like that we were in Delhi.
You must try Chatterbox. Their Golgappas are like superb.
Now you all should try this out.
Use the right lane to take the Ontario 400 South ramp.
Alright guys, we have reached back home and we have got takeaway with us. Can you see me now? Yeah. So we have got takeaway food and there is one place that I really like to take food from. I think it is somewhere towards Dixie Road, I guess. And we have got Kali Dal from there. It's not Makhani Dal, it's proper Kali Dal. But somehow it feels like as if you are having a dal from jug. We call it jug in my place in Himachal. Otherwise you call it langar also. So it does taste exactly like that. And apart from that, I got malai kofta. I'm not very fond of malai kofta, but this very place, they make really nice malai kofta. So I got this. And other than that, something that I'm very excited about is this. I'm not sure if you can see this. I've got gulab jamun. This very place makes very fluffy and yummy gulab jamun. We wanted to have something desi. I usually make chapatis at home, but then we got tawa roti with us. So our plan is to change and be in our comfortable clothes and have dinner on bed and watch Netflix.